Mindfulness isn't just practice, it's how we live. Let's bring it into everyday life. Before we get started, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you always catch our new meditations. Hello and welcome back to TranquiLush Meditation, where we help you find peace in life's rush. You're now entering stage 4 of your mindfulness journey. That's a big deal. In stage 1, you dipped your toes in. You learned to notice your breath, your body, and your thoughts with curiosity. In stage 2, you planted the habit. You kept showing up. You practiced returning again and again to now. In stage 3, you turned toward your emotions. You discovered that even the uncomfortable ones can be met with compassion. Now, in stage 4, we step into a powerful truth. Mindfulness isn't just something we do on the cushion. It's a way of being in the grocery line, on the subway, while brushing your teeth or eating lunch. This stage is called mindfulness in daily life. Here, we explore what it means to bring awareness into everyday moments, those in between spaces where life really happens. We recommend practicing this meditation once a day for 1 week and noticing how you carry awareness beyond the practice. Let's begin. Find a position that feels both relaxed and alert. You might be sitting upright or lying down. Wherever you are, settle in. Let your hands rest. Let your face soften. Let your attention arrive. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle exhale. Once more, inhaling and exhaling. Let your breath return to its natural rhythm. Begin by simply being here. Feel your body where it is. The pressure of the seat, the touch of clothing, the temperature of the air on your skin. Notice and soften. Now, let's imagine a simple part of your day. A moment that happens often. Eating a meal. Bring that moment into your mind. You're sitting down to eat. Notice what's in front of you. The colors on your plate. The shape of the utensils. The way light reflects off the surface of your food. Hear the quiet sounds around you. Maybe the clink of silverware. The gentle rustle of a napkin. Lean in and notice the aroma. What do you smell? Is it savory? Sweet? Fresh? Now imagine taking a bite. Slowly. What do you notice first? The texture? The temperature? Does the flavor change as you chew? Feel your body receiving the nourishment, not just your taste buds, but your whole self. This is mindfulness too, a moment of full attention. A simple meal becoming a sacred pause. Let's expand this. Imagine other daily moments. Brushing your teeth, feeling the bristles, tasting the mint, noticing the motions of your hand. Walking from one room to another, feeling the rhythm of your steps, noticing your balance, listening to the sounds of your environment, washing your hands, feeling the water, the slipperiness of the soap, the sound of rinsing. These ordinary things are not so ordinary. Each moment is a doorway into presence. You don't have to stop your life to practice mindfulness. You don't need silence or incense or a mountaintop. You need only this, the willingness to notice. Right here, right now. So, as we sit here, let's rest in that awareness. Nothing to do. Nowhere to be. Just breathing. Just being. Now gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your hands. Feel your feet. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. Notice the sounds around you. And slowly, when you're ready, open your eyes. Let's take a moment to reflect. What is one everyday task you can turn into a mindfulness practice this week? It could be making tea, feeding a pet, commuting to work. Pick one and bring your full attention to it. And as you do, carry this quiet affirmation with you. I bring awareness to the moments in between. I live my practice. I bring awareness to the moments in between. I live my practice. You're doing beautifully. If this meditation helped you, subscribe for more and share your reflections in the comments below. Until next time, may you bring presence into every step, every sip, every moment. Even in the rush, there can be peace.